Okay, I'm not gonna sugarcoat this. Some of the things you do every single day are secretly making you look worse. And no, it's not about being perfect or chasing unrealistic beauty standards. It's about those tiny habits that slowly drain your glow, your energy, and your confidence, without you even realizing it. I'm gonna be real with you, this video might hurt your feelings a little, because I'm not here to tell you to just love yourself and move on. I'm here to tell you the hard truth about why you don't look your best right now and how to fix it fast. I'm giving you the honest list of 15 habits that are slowly making you ugly. And hey, before we start, comment to my best future self down below so I know you're being real about your intentions. Once you type it, you've already started your glow up journey. Let's go, girl! Let's start with the worst habit of all times, calling yourself ugly. You can't bully yourself into being beautiful. Every time you say, "I'm so ugly," your brain starts believing it, little by little, until it becomes part of your identity. I remember when I was a teenager, I would literally say out loud, "Ugh, I'm so ugly," sometimes multiple times a day. I thought I was just being honest, but really, I was programming myself to feel small and invisible. I'd skip skincare because what's the point? I'd binge on junk food, isolate myself from friends, and scroll endlessly, telling myself I'd never be one of those effortlessly pretty people. And guess what? The more I believed it, the less effort I put into taking care of myself. And that's exactly why calling yourself ugly is so toxic. Stop saying mean things about yourself. It's not humble, it's harmful. Instead, start treating yourself like someone you actually love. Bad habit number 2, neglecting your body. You don't need a six-pack or gym membership to look good, but if you never move your body, your energy tanks, your posture collapses, and your confidence goes with it. Movement isn't punishment, it's maintenance. Even a quick walk, stretching, or dancing in your room is enough to wake up your body. You glow differently when you respect your body. The hottest look is healthy energy. Bad habit number 3, ignoring basic hygiene. Okay, I have to say it. Hygiene matters. You can have the best outfit and prettiest makeup, but if your breath stinks or your hair is greasy, it's game over. Nobody's judging, but people notice. The glow up secret everyone forgets? Staying clean. That's it. Shower, brush, deodorant, clean clothes. Hygiene is confidence you can smell, literally. Take care of yourself like you take care of your phone battery. Daily, no excuses. You wouldn't leave your phone uncharged, so stop leaving your hygiene on 1%. Bad habit number 4, sleeping in your makeup. This one hurts, literally. When you crash with a full face of foundation, mascara, and lip gloss, your skin is basically suffocating. Makeup mixes with oil, sweat, and bacteria, clogging every pore like cement. You wake up with dull skin, new pimples, and faster wrinkles, all because you couldn't spend 2 minutes removing it. Even if you're half asleep, grab micellar water or a cleansing wipe. Your skin deserves a clean start, not a night in a chemical soup. Bad habit number 5, touching your face. This one's sneaky. You touch your face literally hundreds of times a day without realizing it. Scrolling, leaning on your hand, picking at tiny bumps, and then you wonder, why do I keep breaking out? Your hands carry dirt, oil, and bacteria that clog pores and cause inflammation. Try to keep your hands off your face, or at least keep them clean. I used to touch my face constantly, like it was my part-time job. Turns out it's linked to stress. What actually helped me stop was putting acne patches instead of popping pimples and buying a fidget ring. Once I did that, the habit just faded away. Try it for yourself. Your skin will thank you. Bad habit number 6, eating like you're in a breakup. Every single day. The snacks, the fries, the just one more cookie at 1 a.m. Yeah, it shows. It's not just about gaining weight, it's your skin breaking out, your energy tanking, and your mood dipping. Food is fuel, not a coping mechanism. The fix is simple. Eat like you love yourself. Try the 80-20 rule. 80% real food, 20% treats. You can still have your fries, but let them be a date, not a toxic relationship. Bad habit number 7, wrecking your sleep. Let's be real, skipping sleep is not mysterious or cool. It's literally aging you. Every hour you stay up scrolling adds another layer of dull skin, puffiness, and bad mood. Your body repairs itself while you sleep, so when you skip it, you're skipping your glow up. I used to be that girl scrolling till 1 a.m. wondering why I looked exhausted every morning. The moment I started respecting my bedtime, everything changed. My skin started glowing and my dark circles faded. Try this. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. No bright screens. Just quiet. Maybe a book. 1 week of real sleep and you'll see it in your face. Fresh, calm, and alive again. It's the cheapest beauty hack ever. Bad habit number 8. Dressing like you don't care. You don't need designer clothes. You just need effort. When your clothes are wrinkled, dirty, or don't fit right, it says, I don't respect myself. Pick simple, clean pieces that make you feel confident. Even comfy outfits can look good when you wear them intentionally. You could wear a $10 thrifted outfit and still look put together if it's clean and fits you well. When you look like you care, even just a little, people take you more seriously. And honestly, you start taking yourself more seriously too. First impression matters. Clothes are one of the first things people notice before getting to know your personality. Bad habit number 9, nail biting. I know it's a stress habit, but thick nails are not the vibe. First, your nails collect so much bacteria, and when you bite them, you're literally putting all that into your body. Second, it damages your nail beds, making it harder for your nails to ever look clean and pretty again. And third, it even affects your smile. It can chip your teeth and throw off your alignment over time. Your hands are always visible when you talk, pay, or text. Keep them soft, clean, and moisturized. Even clear polish or cuticle oil makes a big difference. Little details matter. They say quietly, I've got my life together. Bad habit number 10, caffeine and sugar overload. If your bloodstream is 90% iced coffee, we need to talk. Caffeine isn't bad, but overdoing it wrecks your sleep, dehydrates you, and gives you dark circles no concealer can fix. I used to start my mornings with coffee and end my nights with something sweet. I thought it was giving me energy, but honestly, it was just draining me. My skin was dull, I couldn't sleep properly, and I always felt anxious. I had no idea that too much caffeine wrecks your sleep and hormones, and too much sugar destroys collagen and makes you break out. Then I started cutting back, swapped sodas for sparkling water, and my third coffee for herbal tea. Within a week, my sleep and skin completely changed. If you want real energy, it doesn't come from caffeine or sugar. It comes from balance. Keep it to 1 or 2 cups max, and none after 2 p.m. Don't let coffee steal your glow. Bad habit number 11, neglecting your posture. I know you're in a shrimp pose right now watching this video. Gotcha, little shrimpy. Sit up straight, shoulders back, chin up, deep breath. Instantly taller, instantly more confident, instantly hotter. You can literally change your whole vibe by fixing your posture. Slouching doesn't just make you look smaller, it actually makes you feel smaller too. Good posture is self-respect in physical form. And the best part, it's totally free. Bad habit number 12, rude or disrespectful behavior. Hot take, no one cares about your face if your attitude sucks. If you can't be kind, if you're on your phone mid-conversation, or treat people like background noise, you just lost your glow. Manners are the ultimate beauty filter. Being pretty doesn't mean much if your attitude ruins it. If you can't look people in the eye, if you're rude or always on your phone, you instantly become less attractive. Being kind, polite, and present makes you stand out. Real confidence isn't loud, it's respectful. Bad habit number 13, constant stress. Stress literally makes you age faster. When you're always anxious or overwhelmed, your body releases cortisol. It breaks down collagen, causes acne, and ruins your sleep. You don't need a full spa day to relax. Just breathe. Take 2 minutes, inhale deeply, exhale slowly. It sounds too simple, but it literally tells your brain to calm down. Your peace is part of your beauty routine. Make it count. Bad habit number 14, staying indoors all day long. If your only sunlight comes from your phone screen, your body's literally missing nutrients. Sunlight boosts vitamin D, which improves your skin, mood, and hormones. Go outside for 5 to 10 minutes every morning. Touch some grass. It sounds like a meme, but your body needs it, girl. Bad habit number 15, obsessing over your weight and proportions. This one's for my girls who weigh themselves every morning. Stop. Your body changes throughout your cycle. Bloating, hormones, water retention, it's all normal. The scale doesn't measure your beauty or your worth. Focus on how you feel, not how you measure. Confidence and kindness make you glow way more than abs ever will. And here's the thing, you don't need to fix all 15 at once. So Take this as your sign. Pick one habit that's been holding you back and change it. Start small, but start now. Because glow-ups aren't about perfection, they're about effort. You don't magically become beautiful overnight. You become pretty by showing up for yourself daily. And before you go, leave a comment saying, "To my best future self," because when you look back one day, you'll realize that was the moment everything began.